नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज इन इंडिया। न्यूज इन इंडिया में आपका स्वागत है। आइए नजर डालते हैं आज की कुछ खास खबरों पर।
अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की भारत यात्रा के दौरान दोनों देशों के बीच 5 समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर होने की उम्मीद है। इन समझौतों में बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकार, व्यापार सुगम बनाने के उपाय और आंतरिक सुरक्षा से संबंधित विषय शामिल हैं। आंध्र प्रदेश के कोवड में 1100 मेगावाट के 6 परमाणु ऊर्जा संयंत्र लगाने के संबंध में भी सहमति बन सकती है। हालांकि इस यात्रा के दौरान व्यापक व्यापारिक समझौते नहीं होंगे। विदेश मंत्रालय के प्रवक्ता रवीश कुमार ने कहा कि इस पर बातचीत चल रही है और इसमें कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं की जाएगी। चीन में कोरोना वायरस को लेकर रवीश कुमार ने कहा कि भारत सरकार ने वुहान के लिए एक राहत उड़ान के तहत चिकित्सा आपूर्ति की एक विमान खेप भेजने का फैसला किया है। वापसी यात्रा के दौरान उन भारतीय नागरिकों को विमान से लाया जाएगा जो पहले 2 उड़ानों में सवार नहीं लाए जा सके। वहीं जापानी जलपोत पर सवार भारतीय लोगों में से 8 के कोरोना वायरस से पीड़ित होने की पुष्टि हुई है। उनका स्थानीय अस्पताल में इलाज चल रहा है।
On coronavirus from MES perspective, and you are aware that there have been some developments as far as Indian nationals are concerned in China and Japan. And after that, perhaps I'll just give you a sense of the program. Foreign Secretary did go on record yesterday. But today, with a little bit of timing and some detail on President Trump's visit, and then I will open the floor to questions. On the efforts being made by our mission in Japan and China on the virus, let me take Japan first. You are aware that there are 132 crew members and 6 passengers who are Indian nationals and who were on board the cruise ship Diamond Princess. This was quarantined off the coast of Japan. As per the latest information available with us, there are 8 Indian nationals who are infected with the virus. They are being treated, 8, and they are being treated at the local hospital. We understand their situation is improving. Our embassy, they have been putting out regular updates. They are closely monitoring the situation. The quarantine, it ended yesterday, 19th February. The disembarkation process has started and will continue for a few days. The disembarkation starts with the passengers first, and the crew will be the last to disembark. At this point of time, we are now in touch with the Japanese authorities to work out the next steps after the quarantine is over. There are several possibilities which are being looked into. And as and when there is an update, I'll be happy to share those updates with you. Please remember that there will be a health protocol in place, both at the time of embarkation, which is after the release of the passengers, and also on the arrival of Indian nationals in India. On the situation in China, you must have seen the regular updates which are being put out by our mission in Beijing. We are monitoring the welfare of Indian nationals on a regular basis, and we have advised the people in Wuhan and Hubei province to continue to take precautions and follow instructions of local authorities. You are aware that the government of India has decided to send an aircraft, a consignment of medical supplies on a relief flight to Wuhan. And this is just a small way, a token way to express our support to China as it continues its fight against COVID-19 epidemic. On its return flight, as we have indicated earlier, the aircraft will bring in Indian nationals who could not board the first 2 flights. Those interested to come back, they have been asked to contact our embassy, and we do understand that we have now collected the names of those people, and subject to capacity limitations and other logistics, we will accommodate nationals of other countries as well. The advisories regarding to and from travel to China, it remains in place. And this is purely to maintain public health so that infection does not spread to different parts of India. As I clarified last time, that there is no ban on travel to China or from China.
तरक्की कभी ये नहीं पूछती कि आप कहां से आ रहे हो, बस ये पूछती है कि आप कहां जाना चाहते हो। तरक्की कभी ये नहीं पूछती कि आप कौन हो, बस ये पूछती है कि आप क्या बनना चाहते हो। तरक्की आपको कभी नए रास्ते दिखाएगी, तो कभी नए दोस्तों से मिलवाएगी। बस आपको तय करनी है आपके तरक्की की रफ्तार, एक नई सोच और हर रोज कुछ बेहतर करने की प्रेरणा, अपने लिए और अपनों के लिए। हर रोज कुछ बेहतर।